Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, all you need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. Oops, that wasn't at the same time. There we go, we get a flash along with a pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment this will disappear. Once it disappears, you can find the actual screenshot in your Photos application. Now you will need to navigate to the library section, and in here you'll find an album called Screenshots. And here is the screenshot that I have just captured a moment ago. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.